Hi guys, Dr. Nathan here from RBTI, Pretoria. Just a quick one today, that's on pregnant women. When a woman falls pregnant, we've got our normal body, and our body should have at least 35% reserve energy. So when you fall sick, for instance, or you run a long distance marathon, you run out of your energy in your stomach that's supplying petrol for your food, energy. So when you run out of that, your body should have reserve energy. Now, when a woman falls pregnant, the body has got reserve energy that supply reserve energy. This mother is then building a sack where the baby lays in, and this sack is made from her reserve energy. So when a woman haven't got sufficient reserve energy, the body then metabolizes from her body, tandem muscles, stomach, then it eats from muscles, it eats from cartilage, etc., to form this sac so the baby can have a perfect environment. And when the baby is born and there weren't sufficient reserve energy, that's when a baby gets born with grommets in the ear. He's got a kick off in life with starting with a lack of minerals. And ADD, ADHD, and all this like disease was mothers that didn't have enough reserve energy. The mother then get colic, and now I'm emphasizing what I'm saying. The woman that you are now and the woman after birth is not the same person. A man marry a woman, lovely, soft, gentle, sexual, active woman, and then after birth, when the kid is there, this woman's temperament changes, the hormones change, she put on weight, get colic, and the fight starts. And this is something I really want to emphasize. Please take note of this. The woman that you are now and the woman that you're going to be after birth is not the same woman. So be 100% sure your reserve energy is fine. Dr. Reams proved with pregnancies, if you do a RBTI test and you are not on a A level, A is where you got your reserve minerals. Let's say you're in C, you're 60% from where you should be. You, the person, is going to run into problems. The foods that we eat is of excessive need. That accounts for the kid. I've got a diet for kids, RBTI diet, what kids should eat. Kids should make 100% sure they've got the reserve minerals and energy, etc., in their body to build a proper body, and so should the mother be. The baby that's in the sac poops and pee inside the mother. And the normal amount of water we should drink, approximately 2 liters a day. A mother that's pregnant should drink double that amount. Now, any pregnant woman will tell you, I don't like water. I like my Kit Kat. And of course, we crave carbs. They say they crave things. You crave what you are addicted to, not what you need. You crave what you are addicted to, not needs. Refined and processed carbs is the highest addiction on this planet, over and above cocaine and crystal meths. So don't eat what you crave, eat what you need. If I can advise any mother that falls pregnant, do a RBTI test immediately. Get your body in tune, drink double the amount you should drink to be able to flush your body, detox your body, and get hydration. Drink minerals every single day. Mineral colloidal phosphate, that's an organic mineral that comes from the Amazon. Don't drink synthetic minerals from shops. Don't buy a product in Dis-Chem that's irradiated. I've got products in Dis-Chem too. They're all irradiated. It's irradiated, it's killing the microbes in the plant so it can't get rotten on the shelf. And that's the stuff that you need to turn what you buy into energy. And minerals should come from the earth. Mineral colloidal phosphates. That's just a briefing with pregnant mums. Thank you, guys.